Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at replenishment management. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of replenishment configuration, creation and process of replenishment configuration, creation of requisition against replenishment, creation of production order against replenishment, and completion of replenishment. Now for creation of replenishment configuration, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with Inventory Manager. Now navigate to Inventory, expand Inventory menu and then click on Replenishment Configuration. Now with the help of Create button, we will create a new replenishment configuration. On Replenishment Configuration Create page, you can see there are different sections like Basic and Stock. Here I will enter data only into required and mandatory fields. So now I will add name as replenishment for beam coupling. Now I will select item. I will select product as item and then I will select beam coupling. Now select site, select warehouse, select zone. I will select zone as MUA, then select zone location, and now under stock section you can see there are different fields like reordering approach, buffer stock quantity, maximum inventory quantity and order quantity. Under reordering approach there are two options like on order and fixed quantity. Here I will select fixed quantity and move further, and then I will select buffer stock quantity as 25. Now set maximum inventory quantity. I will set maximum inventory quantity as 40. And then order quantity, I will select order quantity as 15. Now click on save button. Our replenishment configuration has been created successfully, and you can see status of our replenishment configuration is active and a method tab appeared besides detail tab. So our next step is to create methods for replenishment configuration. For that, navigate to methods, and with the help of create button, we will create new method. On replenishment method details page, I will enter data as replenishment method 1. Now set priority. I will set priority as medium. You can set priority as per your requirement. Lead days, I will set lead days as 1. Now on type field, you can see there are two options like purchase and produce. If you select purchase, then your replenishment will process and it will get completed through purchase requisition. And if you select produce, then our replenishment will complete and process through production order. So now here I will select purchase and then I will save this record. Now you can see our replenishment method has been created. So now I will go back to the replenishment configuration detail page. Now we have successfully created our replenishment configuration. So from now onwards, if a stock quantity gets below 25 for beam coupling item, then our replenishment will get auto created, and then we need to further process it through purchase requisition or production order. So now I will directly show you how a replenishment gets created for beam coupling. So for that, I will log in with inventory user. Now for opening replenishment record, navigate to inventory, expand inventory menu and then click on replenishment. Here you can see that our replenishment has been created for beam coupling. I will open this record. Here you can see that as soon as I have deducted the stock quantity below 25, our replenishment has been created for that item. On the replenishment detail page, you can see there are two tabs like Purchase Requisition and Production Order. Now, as we have selected method type as Purchase Requisition while creating the configuration, so when we click on the process button, our purchase requisition will get created for this replenishment record. So now I will click on the process button. Here you can see that our replenishment configuration has been processed, status has been changed as in progress, and now we will navigate to Purchase Requisition tab, and then you can see that a purchase requisition has been created for the beam coupling. We will complete this purchase requisition further, but before that we will see how to create production order against replenishment. So for that we will create another replenishment and then we'll select method type as produce. So for that we will again log in with inventory manager. Navigate to inventory, replenishment configuration. Here I have already created one replenishment configuration, so I will open this record and I will directly create a method for this replenishment configuration. So you can see that I have already created one method for this replenishment configuration and type has been selected as produced. So for this replenishment configuration now we will see how replenishment gets created against this replenishment configuration. For that I will reduce the stock from the quantity of this product. Now I will again log in with inventory user. So now we will open inventory, we will open replenishment list page. Here we can see that our another replenishment has been created automatically as we have reduced stock from the item stock. So now we will open this record. There are two tabs like Purchase Requisition and Production Order. Now on click of process button we will see that our production order will get created for this replenishment record. So we can see that our production order has been created. Now we will further complete this production order and purchase requisition that we have created earlier for the replenishment, and then I will show you the record after completing production order and after completing the purchase requisition for the replenishment that we have created earlier. Now here I have completed the replenishment and I have completed the production order. So now let me show you the replenishment record. As you can see, our replenishment status has been changed as completed. And let me show you the status of production order. So status of our production order has also been changed as production completed. Now I will show you the replenishment record that we have created earlier. So this is the replenishment record that we have created earlier. I will open this record. I have completed the purchase requisition process. So now you can see that status has been changed as completed, and then we'll see status of purchase requisition that has also changed as received. So in this way we saw creation of replenishment configuration, creation and process of replenishment configuration, creation of requisition against replenishment configuration, creation of production order against replenishment configuration, and then at last we saw how to complete our replenishment. Thank you.